Hello viewers, so today we are touring units of 2-bedroom apartments located here at Lekki Scheme 2. Now I'm bringing this back again because the first video I did about a 2-bedroom apartment in Lekki Scheme 2, we got a lot of amazing comments. In fact, somebody said this is the best apartment I have seen in a while, and that is because this company has consistently delivered excellence and value for your money. Okay, so these are units of 2-bedroom apartments. We currently have it in the market, and you have an opportunity to spread your payments up to 6 months with no interest at all. So if you're currently in the market looking for an apartment to get, either for your own use or for rental income in this area go as high as 5 million naira and above, right? Depending on the bedroom. So that's to let you know the value you're going to be getting with this particular project. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to be flipping my camera around. I'm going to be showing you around. And before then, I'll also, show you their other projects that is around here, so you can understand that they have a track record of delivering and completing their project. If you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing project. So they currently have about 7 projects in the market, but I'm just going to show you this project because it is close to, this project I'm actually telling you to invest in. So this is one of their projects. I'm not going to go inside because people actually live here. You see, this developer is high on excellence. They have greenery all over here. They planted this greenery, and if you enter inside too, the same thing. Now this is the other project. I'm sure most of you are familiar with this project. We had over 10k views on this particular home with a lot of positive review. So this is also a 2-bedroom apartment. This is also a 2-bedroom apartment. People are also living here fully. I'm going to post a link to this particular home so you can watch it and you can let me know what you think. Now this is the project I'm telling you to buy. See, this is it. This is the one I'm asking you to invest in. So having seen their track record of what they can deliver, you have this one here and you also have this one here. You are sure that whatever it is that you are buying here, it is very, very secure. You have 6 months to spread your payments. Just make a 50% deposit, 6 months, spread your payments with no interest at all. It's going to come with solar power. Right, all their projects, we don't want noise. We don't use generator here. So all their projects come fully solar power and fully serviced. Okay. Rental unit here for 2-bedroom apartment is 5 million naira. And that's if you don't want to do your daily short let or Airbnb. So there's a lot of reasons why you should actually invest here. Prime location. From here to the coastal road is not far. From here to the Lekki Expressway is not far. You're just in the middle of it. And with the excellence of the way the finishing of this project are, you are sure that you are getting value for your money. So let me know what you think, and every detail will be in the description. Get in contact with me and let's get you home. This is where we have the project. I'm going to attach the 3D so you can see the vision of what we're trying to achieve here. Okay, so if you are looking for a well finished home, this is one project you don't want to miss out. This company, they are well known for building well, finishing well, and even maintaining. They take care of the maintenance of the home even after you buy and you move in. These are rare quality that you see in developers in the Nigerian real estate market. So this is it. We have 20 units here. So we have 20 units of 2-bedroom apartments over here. Price is going for 90 million naira, and you have 6 months to spread your payments. Okay, so let's go right inside and let's see a sample unit of what this project looks like. Okay, so you have an ample parking space. You clearly see that the parking space is spacious, and they're not even done with the project for us to see like an exact view of what it's going to look like. So get in touch with me, guys, if this looks like something you want to get. So this is site progress on their 2-bed. This is the spacious living area. Even with everything that is here, you can see that it is spacious, and all their projects have that similarity. So over here you have your kitchen. This will be your kitchen. You have your storage area in this corner, and there will be a door here that will lead you to your backyard. Okay, so over here you have one room. Even with it not being completed, you can already see And you have your window here. You have 1, 2. Then of course, this would be your bathroom. So this is another view of the primary living area from here. You see how spacious it is. So over here, you can set up your dining area just over here. Okay, amazing. Have another room right here. Have another room right here with its toilet area. So let me know what you think of this project. Every detail will be in the description.